So this question starts off by providing us with this equation, 14x over 7y equals 2 radical w plus 19. I'm a big fan of always simplifying whenever I can. So I'm going to simplify this and say 7 goes into 14 twice, goes into itself once, which means this turns into 2x over y equals 2 radical w plus 19. The question goes on to say the given equation relates the distinct positive real numbers w, x, and y. Which equation correctly expresses w in terms of x and y? So as we can tell by all the answer choices, I'm just looking to isolate my w. So taking where I am now, and given that this is a ratio or a fraction on the left-hand side, I'm going to multiply the right-hand side by 1/2, right? Same as dividing by 2. I just multiply by 1/2 because it looks nicer to multiply by 1/2 over here than it looks to divide by 2. So in multiplying by 1/2, my 2's cross out here. And on the left side, I'd be left with 2. Actually, my 2's also cross out there. So I'd be left with just an x over y equals radical w plus 19. Next, in order to get w isolated, I need to square both sides here to get rid of the radical. So I'd be left with x over y squared is equal to w plus 19, right? The square and the radical cross out. And lastly, I want to subtract 19 from both sides. The 19 is gone from there. I'm going to move up here for more space. So I'd be left with w is equal to x over y squared and minus 19. And that looks like the answer will be choice C.